can we have the health center, the bar health center, which is closed on Saturdays? Can we have regular service on Saturdays so that we can have a smooth flow? People congested at the S-Pen can come back to, since it's closed on Saturdays.
Any rep from the Ministry of Health around? Thank you.
Please introduce yourself, give your name and your designation so that the Prime Minister knows.
Yeah. Okay. Bula Vinaka, Honorable Prime Minister. I'm Dr. Anushil Chand. I'm the acting SDM of Bar Public Health. So in regards to your question in terms of the running of the bar facilities, especially the health center facilities, we are still in the talks of making that happen and possible. There are internal processes still going on to have a smooth running of health services even during weekends and public holidays, especially after Aspen Medical had declared that GOPD services would be limited in the weekends and public holidays. We are still in the talks of that. Hopefully it would be made to happen soon.
Please, I request this process can be faster. People are suffering, so if your process is faster, we can access to your health center. Thank you.
Of course, I understand, and we'll definitely, we are working on it, and we'll definitely work on it better.
Thank you very much, Acting SDMO. Thank you very much.